As you can see, the crabs is live right now, yo. Everybody living. Everybody living. Everybody living, cuz. Everybody.
I'm still videoing. No, I just hanged up. Oh my goodness.
What's wrong with this bench? This bench is good.
Y'all got me in here going crazy.
That is a good strategy right there. That's what we do with the butter popcorn at the movie. We be like, put half in there, bring the butter, and then we go get some more popcorn.
You take a picture of these?
Yeah, I took
I need a picture of these.
I took a picture.
Hold this one, me. Hold these.